Here's a quick look at an upcoming feature for LightBurn 9.15. LightBurn now has the ability to create QR codes. So if you go to Tools, Create QR Code, drag out a rectangle for where you would like to place it, and then simply enter your text. So for example, if you point a smartphone or a QR code scanner at this graphic, you should see our website come up automatically. The new QR code system is also compatible with our variable text system, so you can create variable QR codes from content in a CSV file, which would allow you to tag serial numbers, names, dates, places, things like that, import content from other forms, and we are going to be extending this feature to include pre-formatted generators for some of the more common QR code formats.